Multi-billion-dollar valuations, models that can write poetry and code. The AI boom seems unstoppable. But what if I told you the fundamental business model of most frontier LLM companies is deeply flawed, and they're caught in a trap that leads to zero long-term profit? Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll see the hidden blueprint they could be using to build an unshakable financial future. This is the race today. It's a battle for product performance. It's a red ocean of competition where every advantage is quickly copied. This is the commoditization trap. When everyone sells the same thing, in this case raw intelligence via an API, the only way to compete is on price. And that's a race to the bottom. History shows us that focusing only on making a product better provides the lowest return on investment and the least competitive advantage in the long run. To escape this trap, you and I need to ask a different question. Not how good is our model, but what job are customers actually hiring our model for? This is the core of jobs to be done theory. No one wants to buy API credits. They want to cut costs, find new customers, or create new medicines. The job is the underlying problem they are trying to solve, and that job remains stable over time, even as technology changes. So how do you build a business around the job? This is the playbook for escaping the trap. Doblin's 10 types of innovation. Research into over 2,000 successful innovations found they all use a combination of these 10 basic types. It shows us there are 10 ways to build a competitive advantage, and most companies only focus on one: product performance. Let's look at the 3 powerful alternatives that LLM companies could be using right now. Instead of selling shovels, what if you've got a cut of the gold discovered? That's profit model innovation. It's about finding fresh ways to turn your value into cash. Move from charging for compute time to charging for value delivered. Imagine a model that helps a company avoid regulatory fines. Instead of charging per word it analyzes, you could charge a percentage of the money saved. This aligns your success directly with your customer's success. You're no longer a cost center, you're a partner in their growth. This next play is about elevating the level of abstraction. Don't just sell the engine, sell the whole car. Today, companies sell an API. The novel approach is to sell a product system, creating complementary products and services that work together. This creates a complete solution that gets the entire job done. It hides the complexity. The user doesn't see an LLM, they see a problem being solved. This is how you create an integrated and cohesive experience that provides far more value. Finally, you can innovate your network. Network innovations allow you to take advantage of other companies' processes, technologies, and data. An LLM by itself is smart, but an LLM connected to exclusive data sources, expert human networks, and critical business software is unbeatable. This creates a powerful ecosystem that's incredibly difficult for competitors to copy. You're leveraging your own strengths while harnessing the capabilities and assets of others. So what does all this lead to? A future where the LLM becomes invisible. It's the intelligence layer that powers simpler, more powerful applications that get the job done completely. The goal is to get the job done with fewer visible features because you've absorbed the complexity. That's the ultimate competitive advantage. So the path to a profitable future for AI companies isn't about building a bigger model. It's about building a better, broader business strategy around it. It's a shift from being a tech provider to a true problem solver. But what's the single biggest mistake even the smartest founders make when trying to find these new business models? We'll break that down in our next video. If you want a much deeper dive into all 10 types of innovation with detailed examples, I've written a comprehensive article on my Substack. The link is in the description below or in the first comment, depending on your platform. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss what's next. Thanks for watching.